Choosing the right tap will make your work twice as effective. Choosing the wrong one will be a complete waste. Today, I will take you to reacquaint yourself with taps.
The straight slot tap like this, called straight float tap, it can be used for processing through holes and blind holes. It has strong versatility, but lacks specificity. The tap with a diagonal groove under the straight groove, called pointed tap, it removes chips downwards and is suitable for processing blind holes without chip jamming. The resulting thread is more stable. The tap with a spiral groove is called spiral tap. It removes chips upwards and is suitable for processing blind holes. However, the resulting hole diameter is prone to enlargement. Finally, the tap without a groove is called forming tap. It doesn't remove chips. It can be used for both through holes and blind holes. However, it is only suitable for processing materials with lower strengths.